Greetings to all the viewers. The session is going to discuss about the apple reaction. The pronunciation is slightly varied. Apple or apple reaction. Both resided for the same kind of named organic reaction. This is the content retrieved from the textbook called the Textbook of Named Organic Reactions, which is written by Dr. Kavita Kottireddy Kota. Right. So the kind of series of sessions based on named organic reactions which are conducted available at the channel called World of Competitive Chemistry. Now let me introduce the Apple reaction. Apple reaction is an organic reaction where conversion of alcohol into alkyl chloride occurs in the presence of triphenyl phosphine catalyst. Right here, alcohol will be taken in the presence of triphenyl phosphine that will be transformed into halogenated compound in the presence of any halogenating agents. Carbon tetrachloride will be taken as a solvent media where the chlorinating agent as well. This is the way a kind of apple reaction. Wherever hydroxyl group is there, halo group will be substituted. It is the kind of nucleophilic substitution reaction, right? The reaction is facilitated with either brominating or iodinating source with a carbon tetrabromide or a brominating agent, carbon tetraiodide or methyl iodide as iodinating agent. This is the way a kind of apple reaction schematic representation is provided for the better understanding. The reaction when we are taking alcohol to be treated with triphenyl phosphine, here carbon tetrachloride functions like a chlorinating agent and solvent media as well. Dual role is operated with this one so that you can achieve a halogenated alkane, that is alkyl halide, will be originated. This simply designated as an apple reaction. Apple reaction in the organic chemistry is the conversion of alcohol into alkyl chloride, occurs in the presence of triphenyl phosphine. Triphenyl phosphine is the kind of catalyst to be applied, and the carbon tetrachloride works like a solvent media. Apple reaction named after German chemist Rolf Appel, who discovered the reaction. This reaction, widely used in the organic chemistry, converts the alcohol into alkyl chloride using triphenyl phosphine and carbon tetrachloride. Alcohol to be transformed into halogenated compound in the presence of triphenyl phosphine and carbon tetrachloride. This is the way chemical transformation will be achieved. The entire mechanism is manifested over there. If you want to observe the reaction, the starting material alcohol will be taken. That to be treated with triphenyl phosphine, which is in a combination with its carbon tetrachloride. Chlorinating agent so that phosphorus will experience the attachment of chlorine upon the phosphorus so that here positive charge originated in the phosphorus. This intermediate is originated later. Whatever this phosphonium cation originated, able to release the chlorine in the form of chloride so that that chloride released with better nucleophile can replace the existing hydroxyl from the bottom's backside. Reaction proceeded by the SN2 type of mechanism, backside attachment and substantial removal of the front side functionality, giving rise to inversion of the stereochemistry. Walden inversion, that is in SN2 mechanism, you can clearly observe. Subsequently, the triphenyl phosphine will be activated and giving rise to triphenyl phosphone. And wherever the kind of COCl2 is there, that decomposed in the form of carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide, and release of carbon chlorine is possible over there. This is the way the kind of this is said to be a starting material, and this is said to be a product actually. But the entire reaction is facilitated by the intermediate whichever generated over there through the triphenyl phosphine catalyst, and the chlorination taking upon and that chlorine freely released onto the system through the SN2 mechanism. There is the substitution proceeded, and finally you can achieve triphenyl phosphone as one of the byproduct, and the halo alkane as the final product. Apple reaction, phosphonium salt formation taking place by picking up the chlorine from this carbon tetrachloride so that trivalent phosphine extends its covalency, and here is the new bond formation, and whose electrons lost through this bonding. That's the reason why here phosphonium salt formation you can accomplish and releasing carbon trichloride negatively charged one. So that this is the one whatever generated is more facile to release the chloride, being this is the chloride working like a nucleophile able to curious to react with this hydroxyalkane. So whenever hydroxyalkane treated with this one, there is a kind of a backside attachment taking place through the SN2 type of mechanism. Now, alkyl chloride simply originated by making of new alkyl chlorine bond, and subsequently whatever hydroxyl can be attached with the phosphonium cation, so that here that turned into triphenyl phosphone, and the release of alkyl halide is possible, and here is the proton whichever taken initially can be back released again. So here triphenyl phosphine oxide is the kind of another byproduct you can clearly observe. The main product expected is alkyl halide. General reaction will be ROH, like alcoholic compound treated with triphenyl phosphine in the presence of carbon tetrachloride, which is a chlorinating agent and solvent as well. Able to generate by replacing hydroxyl with chlorine, there is a alkyl halide formation, and triphenyl phosphine oxide is the another byproduct. Whichever CCl4 is there, that turned into CCl3H, which is a chloroform, is another byproduct. In order to achieve this mechanism, triphenyl phosphine initially treated with chlorinating agent, so the chlorine will be attached to the phosphorus. So here you can extend its covalency, so that here the positive charge experiencing the phosphorus phosphonium salt is originated. Later, you can treat this starting material called hydroxyl compound to be treated with this one. Here the formation of alkyl halide, and that CHCl3 negative will experience the protonation, giving rise to chloroform, and whichever PPH3 is there, which abstract the oxygen from this alcohol, so that here triphenyl phosphine oxide is the another byproduct. This is the way the mechanism is clearly manifested. Apple reaction, the step-by-step mechanism you can observe over there, all are manifesting the same kind of series of reactions. Examples with respect to apple reaction is benzyl alcohol treated with triphenyl phosphine and carbon tetrachloride. Benzyl alcohol turned into benzyl chloride through the apple reaction, and the triphenyl phosphine oxide is the byproduct, and the chloroform is another expected byproduct. I'm taking ethanol converted into chloroethane by PPH3 and CCl4 through the apple reaction. There is a PPH3CCl4 to be treated with carboxylic acid. They also extended reaction of apple reaction towards the carboxylic acid rather than alcohol. So that carboxylic acid finally turned into a kind of molecule. You can notice the oxygen, the cyclic manner. Nitrogen is also located. This is a heteroyl ring system originated within the molecule through the apple reaction. I'm taking the molecule called benzopyrazole, and here is the terminal hydroxyl is susceptible for apple reaction. I'm treating carbon tetrabromide. It is the brominating agent. PPH3 is operated upon. This is a kind of catalyst. DCM is the kind of solvent medium taken. Dichloromethane is the simplest abbreviation for this one, and room temperature sufficient for this reaction, being it is highly versatile and more simpler to accomplish the reaction. Within 90 minutes, you can achieve the final product hydroxyl shifted with the brominated product formation. I'm taking 2-hydroxyl over there, bromine PPH3. If operated, hydroxyl will be substituted with bromination through the apple reaction. Here is the molecule said to be a kind of pyridine and iso. Pyridine ring is there. Here the nitrogen is substituted. That is protected by Bock. And here is the CH2OH, which is the requisite for this apple reaction. So that N-bromosuccinamide is the reagent brominating one. PPH3 is the common catalyst, whatever we are operating. DCM again, the dichloromethane is the solid media. Within short time at the 0 degree centigrade, here hydroxyl will be shifted towards the brominated product through the apple reaction. Again, the same starting material, same reagent like PPH3, and direct bromination is added in the DCM solvent. Here the bromination taking place over there. This is also the kind of alternative methodology you can adopt. Here, we have a complex molecule of annular system where the hydroxyl is the common active functional group whichever required for the reaction. Though these many are there, are focus purely upon the hydroxyl whichever resided package with respect to the entire cyclohexane known. So here in bromosuccinamide, instead you can take N-chlorosuccinamide, PPH3 will be taken. Rather bromo, here the chlorination taking place at this hydroxyl, so that nucleophilic substitution is the common criteria through the Apple reaction. It may possible to achieve this iodination upon the same hydroxyl functionality through the Apple reaction, so that hydroxyl will be shifted by halo group, that is iodo. So that iodination also taking place over there. So that the extendability of Apple reaction is very widely large. That's the reason why multiple applications you can notice for the same reaction. Applications of the Apple reaction. Uh, a ketosis, a fructofuranosyl, glucopyranoside, such kind of ketosis, if taken, all these are the part of carbohydrates only. Fructooligosaccharides that resembles the inulin skeleton. Halogenation of ketones carried via Apple reaction, carbon tetrachloride, triphenyl phosphine, catalyzed halogenation taking place, subsequent acylation accorded the target compound. These many complex carbohydrates also accomplished by means of this Apple reaction, right? So if you want to know about this one, here is the kind of complex molecule. This is the kind of carbohydrate moiety called fructose and glucose. Here is the called fructose. Here is called fructose moiety is to be treated with the Apple reagent called carbon tetrachloride and PPH3, either bromo or chloro to be treated upon, so that wherever hydroxyl are free to be operated with this halogenation. Apple reaction only viable where the hydroxyl is very free. Here hydroxyl to be treated with Apple reaction. Here hydroxyl is free, Apple reaction is possible. Here is also a free Apple reaction. Rather, acylation taking place and the remaining all the alcoholic groups, so that OAC, 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 you can accomplish like this. This depends upon the steric factors upon that. Here, wherever OH adjacent are there, they are more viable for internal hydrogen bonding, intramolecular hydrogen bonding taking place. That's the reason why they are not taking part of Apple reaction. Rather, free hydroxyl are suitable for Apple reaction. So this is the way you can expect the final product. Apple reaction performed upon the carboxylic acid facilitates the chemical modifications for the heterocyclic core ring formation. Just now we gone through the same reaction. I'm taking here PPH3 CCl4 able to generate this chloro functionality over the phosphorus. It is the chlorinating agent now. I'm going to treat upon the carboxylic acid and subsequent reaction with the so many reagents. There is a formation of the heterocyclic ring system via Apple reaction. Alkyl chlorides are the simplest mechanism in the Apple reaction. Hydroxyl will be shifted to halide by means of this nucleophilic substitution reaction, versatile in the organic synthesis. Mild reaction conditions are sufficient. Need not to go for the extreme conditions like extreme high temperature, extreme high catalyst, extreme strong. Chemical reagents all are not required. Rather, you can simply go through the reaction under harmonic pathway. Why the harsh chemicals like acids and bases are possible? Primary, secondary alcohols are suitable for this Apple reaction. Natural products synthesis, you can go through this Apple reaction. Apple reaction is widely used due to high efficacy. Availability of reagents provide the straightforward route for the synthesis of alkyl chlorides in the synthetic organic chemistry. Transformative process, there are the transformative products, so that it is more viable in case of pharmaceuticals, biochemicals, and also in the natural biotransformations. By this way, successfully accomplished the Apple reaction by this a series of named reactions we are conducting. In that, one of the reaction got accomplished in the same session. So in the next one, we are going to discuss regarding on ester synthesis, right? So hopefully the session is enjoyable and informative for the curious aspirants. And for such a kind of valid content, you can subscribe the World of Competitive Chemistry channel, and you can avail the benefits based on the knowledge insights regarding the chemistry in the conceptual basis or as a bit points of perspective. All chemistry content available at the channel called World of Competitive Chemistry. Thank you one and all for your patience.